Discovered a file with the unusual plugin. In Payload Attachment Extension. This is a plugin attachment file used by various software systems to bundle plugin data. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to handle these specialized plugin attachment files. Pro tip: for plugin payload attachment files that won't cooperate, you need a dedicated magic solution. I'll share my secret weapon program once we've exhausted all 3 troubleshooting steps. Payload attachment. Files are attachment files used by software systems to bundle plugin payload data, including supplementary resources, configuration data, or auxiliary files that accompany a plugin installation. They typically work alongside plugin installations, providing additional content needed by the plugin to function correctly within its host application. Plugin payload attachment files use various internal formats depending on the plugin system. The structure may include compressed data archives, configuration manifests, resource bundles, or serialized plugin state information. The specific format depends on which plugin framework created the file, requiring matching plugin runtime for proper interpretation. For plugin payload attachment, host plugin application is typically the most effective first attempt. For complete access to all file resources, a dedicated program is needed. Windows cannot determine how the plugin functions, so safe execution relies on dedicated software. To resolve the incompatible file format error, right-click the plugin payload attachment file and choose Open With. Prioritize host plugin application if available. If absent, choose another application. We are searching for the correct file link. If the plugin payload attachment file won't budge, stay calm. This plugin payload attachment file is proving resistant. That means we need hard data. Let's immediately test these primary failure points to isolate the error source. First, identifying the plugin system. Examine the file context to determine which plugin framework created the plugin payload attachment file. Check installed applications with plugin systems like enterprise platforms, development environments, or content management systems. The file's location and accompanying files often reveal the parent application requiring the plugin attachment. Next, loading with host application. Use the host application that owns the plugin system to process the attachment file. The application's plugin manager typically handles attachment files automatically when the associated plugin loads. Manual user interaction with these files is rarely required since the host application manages plugin lifecycle and resource loading internally. Finally, examining as archive. Try opening the plugin payload attachment file with archive tools like 7-zip, since many plugin attachment formats use zip-based containers. If the file is a compressed archive, you can examine the internal structure to better understand the plugin's resources. This investigation helps with troubleshooting plugin loading issues or migrations. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When you still fail to open the file, you've hit a genuine format barrier. Your solution is a dedicated tool like File Magic, which uses advanced inspection techniques to access files that stump common applications. Download it at filemagic.com. If you found the instructions clear, please like the video and subscribe for new content every week.